Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in into your Kik account. So the first thing you have to do, you have to click right here on your screen on the profile icon. You click on it like this and you are going to see login and sign up. If you don't have an account, you can actually create one. And if you don't know how to create an account, you can go to my channel and check my videos. You're going to see a video where I actually show how to create an account for Kik. So the next thing you have to do, you just have to input your username just like this and click on your username. Yeah, and you put your password. The password and you log in. So now they are going to send me a six digits verification code to my email. So I'm going to wait for that and click on it to copy the code and paste it to my click right here, copy, and I go back to the browser. So I'm going to actually paste that here and I've pasted it already, as you can see. So I've actually logged in into my account. So this is how it's going to look like when you have logged in into your account. So it's very simple. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.